In the 1980s, biotech was really starting to grow, really starting to develop in the Bay Area. It was clearly had the potential to be an economic engine for the Northern California.
Local governments were at best lukewarm and at worst hostile. And so the Bay Area Economic Forum, which was the child of the Bay Area Council, created the Bay Area Bioscience Center.
When we were just getting started, we were donated space in Oakland. We had to go out and literally beg furniture. Within a year or two, we had what looked like a newsroom or perhaps a campaign office.
There was a lot of optimism, but there wasn't a great deal of track record. And people were afraid of biotech in the general public.
As such, both universities and companies had to explain the technology and its advantages.
We put together programs. We had a program every few months, including briefings for local officials in local governments, so they could get some understanding of biotech regulation and the issues that were involved.
And so now we have tools like the BayBio Impact Report, which are made available freely online for people to see and understand every single product in every disease that all the companies in Northern California are working on.
And that was part of the idea, to reach out to the community and make biotechnology not seem so threatening.
A very key thing for the industry is to have advocates in the public sector.
The awareness of the biotech industry in Sacramento is much, much greater now than it was 5 years ago.
And it's being seen as a way of not identifying yourself or your interest personally, but looking at the broader picture, and I think that's good.
We are working with elected officials at the local, state, and federal levels to address the needs of our member companies and patients by shaping legislation that improves the business climate and promotes innovation.
It's supporting a broad-based educational effort which focuses on both individuals at the high school level and in the college level.
Instead of us looking at reading textbooks of the sciences, we became the sciences. Instead of reading about DNA extractions, we did the DNA extractions. And so basically this program brought science alive for us.
BayBio and the Bridge to Biotech program really had the most profound difference in my life, because without either one of those programs or entities existing, I would not be where I am today.
Purchasing programs and discount on office supplies and lab supplies, those are really targeted at the smaller companies, the member companies who are less than 100 employees.
That has been something that, even for a small company like Avid Biotics, certainly saves us tens of thousands of dollars a year.
BayBio has done a very good job of recognizing the kinds of services that will be valuable to members and either providing those or working with others to provide them.
BayBio has enormous opportunity ahead of it to continue to be a spokesperson in a world that still doesn't really understand science.
BayBio continues to deliver savings and expertise to its member companies, allowing them to grow to their full potential and to focus on their core business, research and development that leads to new, innovative products.
There's still plenty of work to be done. This is just the beginning.